Tingnan mo yung oras kasi pag
Hi, Daddy! Saan mo maihahalin tulad si Daddy Bishop at bakit?
Magsisimula sa letter K.
Bakit?
Kalabaw. Kasi masipag at malakas.
Wow! Ang galing naman.
Ano? Saan mo may tulad si Bishop?
Siyempre, walang iba hindi sa suka ni Pepet kasi perfect ang lasa. Kahit saan, sasarap ang kakainin mo. Wow! Happy birthday,
Happy
Daddy!
birthday po, Bishop.
Kailangan daw masaya eh. We love you! Ingat po palagi! Happy birthday, Bishop!
Si Bishop ay parang red.
Bakit?
Kasi pag pupunta kami sa office niya, laging may lalabas na chocolate, mga pagkain, hindi kami nagugutom. We love you, Bishop. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po.
Hello po, Bishop. May halintulad po kita sa bagay na mapa or map.
Map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map.
In English. Kasi po, di ba, ang map is symbolizes directions. Then, naisip ko po siya kasi every time na mawawala ako sa landas, mapa yung hinahanap ko, which is si Bishop po. And then, parang motivation siya for me para mapunta doon sa tamang daan. Yun lamang po. At happiest birthday, Bishop. See you soon po and I miss you so much.
What's up po, Bishop Junie? Happy birthday! Greetings here from the Diocese of Tagum. Kung maihahalin tulad ko po kayo sa isang bagay, siguro po ito ay isang puno. Because your words, your kindness, and inspiration na binibigay niyo po sa amin is like nabibigay ng lilim sa mga nangangailangan. And I myself, as a testament of that kindness, that inspiration na binibigay niyo po sa lahat sa amin. Ang hope ko po sa inyo ngayong birthday niyo is to have a healthy life, good health always po despite the busy schedule. Naway, hindi niyo po makalimutang magpahinga. And thank you po for instilling us to be blessed and be a blessing. God bless you po, Bishop Junie, and sana marami pa kayong matulungan and ma-inspire like me. Happy birthday po, and I hope I see you soon po. Bye-bye!
Bishop Junie, manap ako ng background na pinto. Mahilig ka mag-knock-knock. At ikaw ay parang pinto. You're like a door. Ikaw ay napaka-welcoming. Ikaw ay napaka-open sa lahat ng tao. Mapagmalasakit sa lahat ng nangangailangan. Cancer warriors. Sa mga tao pinaglilikuran mo. Ikaw ay napaka-friendly. Pwede ka sa pagkanta. Pwede ka sa sports. Pwede ka sa joke time. Pwede ka mag-MC. Lahat ng iyong mga talents na ito. You're like a door. Para kang pinto na very welcoming at tama din ngayon, Jubilee year, tayo ay ini-invite na pumasok sa Holy Door. Ang iyong birthday ngayon, 2025, ay nasa Jubilee year. Sana mas lalo kang maging welcoming sa lahat ng tao at syempre pa, welcoming lalo sa lahat ng opportunity sa paglilingkod sa Diyos, sa biyaya ng Diyos. Happy birthday!
สวัสดีครับ Kamusta po? I'm very, very happy indeed to be giving this video message to you, Bishop Junie. Very happy indeed to be given the opportunity not only to send a video message, but also to let you know who you remind me of, which I struggle very, very much because, as you know, you are unique. So I'm going to cheat a bit and say, actually, it's what you remind me of, and that is the feeling of coming home. Aww. Whether it's meeting you in Rome, meeting you in Batangas, or for the very first time in Bangkok, you make me feel like I'm coming home with your warmth, genuine humanity, and such an amazing welcome. So it is my greatest pleasure to wish you Maligayang Karawan, happy birthday, and I hope that I wish you many, many, many return indeed. And I myself hope that I'll be given the opportunity to come home again. Happy birthday, Bishop Junie.
Happy birthday!
Bishop!
Maralit! Sinong
Galit! Sumigaw!
kaya yung
Gabi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bishop!
Happy birthday, Bishop Maralit! Ikay ay isang blessing sa aking buhay. Birthday, Bishop! Thank you so much for your generosity. Maraming salamat, Bishop, sa mga binigay mo sa amin. Thank you, Bishop! Happy birthday! God bless!
So, Bishop, happy birthday! Thank you very much for being nice to us. Mabait na obispo, mapagbigay, maunawain, lahat-lahat. Hindi ko nalimutan yun, Bishop, ang pagiging kabaitan mo sa amin. I mean, I was assigned in your diocese. Happy birthday, Bishop! Smile!
Happy birthday, Bishop Maralit! Laking pasalamat ko po na ikaw ang naging ninong ko kahit lubag sa loob mo. More birthdays to come. Bishop, sana makarating ka pa ng 250 years. Happy birthday!
Yeah, I am Isabella from Our Lady of Good Hope Parish in Hope. And I'd like to wish Wesołych Urodzin to Bishop Junior.
Hello, Bishop Judy. My name is Sandra Koss. I'm from Our Lady of Good Hope Parish in Hope. And I would like to wish you a very happy and blessed birthday.
May God bless you and take care of you and always be with you. And we hope in this year we can meet you here in Canada at Our Lady of Good Hope. So happy birthday, and I'm very happy to see you here. Thank you, Bishop. Chúc mừng sinh nhật Đức Tổng. Happy birthday, Đức Tổng.
Bishop Junie, on this joyful occasion of your birthday, we thank the Lord for the gift of your life and vocation. Thank you for the support you extended to us CADCOM, or the communicators in Cebu. We thank you as well for your tireless witness to the truth and your good example as a communicator for Christ. You inspire many of us to make use of our platforms as spaces for dialogue and encounter. Bishop, we pray that God will continuously bless you with continued wisdom, strength, and joy in the ministry. Happy birthday, Bishop Junie.
Happy birthday, Bishop Junie!
Maligayang kaarawan, Bishop, ng Tagalog. Buong buhay ko po natatanawin na utang na loob yung pagkakataon at suporta na binigay mo sa akin. Oh, pure Tagalog! Happy birthday, Bishop! Wish you good health and happiness always and more power sa iyong new ministry.
Happy birthday, Bishop Maralit! Pagbalik niyo po ng Cebu, may ibang steps na naman ako ituturo sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Bishop Maralit! Thank you po sa blessing. At ngayon po, Bishop, registered nurse na po ako, Bishop. Happy birthday and mabuhay ka po hanggat gusto niyo. Happy birthday, Bishop!
Hello po, Bishop Junie. I just want to greet you a feliz cumpleaños. Happy birthday at sana po ay happy kayo sa birthday nyo just as I'm happy po sa birthday nyo. And hopefully, I pray for more power and more strength in the ministry, especially sa ating mga social media apostolate. And hopefully, ang inyo pong apostolate sa social media would draw more people, young people especially, like you, to the Lord. Salamat po sa lahat ng inyong mga efforts, and thank you very much for listening to this greeting, Your Excellency. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. Feliz cumple, otra vez.
Hello, Bishop Marali. Thank you for guiding the social communicators dito sa ating bansa, and thank you for always inspiring us. I wish you good health and more time to pray and also to attend to your people. Happy birthday!
Hi, Junie. Greetings from Cebu. You know you have so many friends, including the one in front of me. Your right hand in Rome. Please know that I'm very happy with your appointment as FABC chair in social communications. And I know that there will be many, many, many such joyous moments of you heading the commission. From us, for me particularly, who I'm about to retire, know that I will be praying for a long, long life for you, Bishop Junie. God bless you and Multos Anos.